Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady and it's the holidays and I'm so excited. And on today's episode, we're going to talk about doing a table setting. I know many of you will have company or have friends over and you'd like to have something special set out on your dining room table. You may just have a few items, but we're going to try to work with the things that you have in your home already. I know our theme is woodland, and so I'm trying to do a white winter theme, and I actually have extra ornaments from my tree that I will be placing on the table. And I have some items that I've already had in my Christmas decorations that I will be putting together, and that's what I want you to try to do as well. So my inspiration is this little church. It kind of reminds me of a snowy country church, and I have some of these little trees that I got from the mountains of North Carolina. And I have other items that just would go so well together in a woodland theme. So I'm going to begin to put this together and show you how we can make a beautiful setting. Of course, I have a dark table. I have a white tablecloth that I've just folded into a narrow runner, and we'll put this all together. So hold on. All right, so I have some plates. I got these at a secondhand store, a setting for 6 for $10. So I didn't spend a lot of money on this. I got these chargers, these pretty gold chargers, also at a yard sale. And my wine glasses, oh, I think I got those at a place called Restore. So I have all these items now I have to put together. Do I want a white napkin? I don't have any white linen, but I have the nicer white napkins. I do have some green linen. I have brown wooden that would be more woodland, but this will be an evening dinner. I have some little rings for my wine glasses. I have a prettier shiny gold napkin ring that might work really well. So we're going to put all this together and let's see what we come up with. Hold on. Now, because woodland is a theme that we used on our tree this year as well, I could still take some of these great ornaments and add them to my table if I wanted to. I had some burlap flowers, cute little squirrel, little owls and bird nests. Of course, when you visit the mountains and you stay in a cabin, you need to come home with one. A little squirrel who's only cute on the tree. That's where my love for squirrels stops. Little winter mitten. So I carried that theme to my table. filled with just the things I had around the house. My little wine glass rings. I decided to go with the gold napkins. It seemed brighter. My little snowman pattern. Just something I got at a secondhand store. I decided to use my gold colored flatware. I ran a bead around the runner. It seems to tie everything together. This was a tree ornament that just seemed to work well on our table. Lots of little bits of whimsy. I used some fresh ligustrum from my yard. More little bits of winter whimsy, along with my snowy church, my little deer. I painted this for my centerpiece. I used river birch branches, and I just painted them white, just to give it more of a wintry theme. These were pieces of river birch, and I used them as some of my candlestick holders. This I found after a storm. I just loved it. And of course I had to have my deer and my other wooden trees that I got from the mountains. And my finished table is very simple but very elegant. And I hope this year that you'll be able to enjoy your family and your friends, and that you'll be creative, and that you will have a wonderful dinner with your family, and that you will go green. And I hope that I can get this right. Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and on today's episode, we are going to talk about not touching my hair when I do a video. So I'm going to encourage you to use things that you have already. You may things that I have not extra. And some other things that I didn't purchase, or just items. That doesn't make any sense. And we will see if we can get this done.